In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Overview tab in Asana. Think of the Overview as your project's homepage, the one place that holds the big picture, the description, the status, the key milestones, so anyone can get up to speed in seconds. Let's jump in. Starting from the sidebar on the left, I'll open my project by clicking on my test project. The Overview is usually the very first tab, right at the start of the row beneath the project name. I'll click on Overview now. And here's your project's front page. Let's walk through it. Right at the top, there's an AI summary panel. With a single click, Asana can catch you up on recent activity, or even flag potential risks in the project, which is a huge time saver when you've been away for a while. Just below that is the project description. This is where you write down what the project is actually for, its goals, its scope, any ground rules, so every teammate knows the mission the moment they arrive. Now look over on the right-hand side. This is your status panel. You can mark the whole project as on track, at risk, or off track with a single click, giving leadership an instant read on how things are going. And underneath, there's a running timeline of key moments, when the project was created, when people joined, and any milestones you've set. The real beauty of the Overview is that it keeps everyone aligned. Instead of digging through tasks to figure out where a project stands, your whole team gets the headline right here. So to recap, open your project and click the Overview tab to find your project's description, its live status, and its key milestones, all in one place. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.